Thinking about where to put your hard-earned money? Are you weighing the options between a traditional, community-focused bank and a modern, online-only powerhouse? In today's financial landscape, choosing the right bank isn't just about security, it's about finding a partner that aligns with your financial goals, lifestyle, and priorities. We're talking about more than just a place to stash your cash. We're talking about interest rates that actually make a difference, fees that don't silently drain your savings, customer service that's there when you need it, and accessibility that fits your life, not the other way around. So, when it comes to Patriot Bank versus Ally Bank, which one truly stands out as the best choice for you in 2025? This isn't a simple question with a one-size-fits-all answer. Both Patriot Bank and Ally Bank offer compelling reasons to choose them, but they cater to very different needs and preferences. Patriot Bank, with its strong local presence in Connecticut and New York, embodies the spirit of community banking. It's for those who value personal relationships, branch access, and a bank deeply invested in its local economy. On the other hand, Ally Bank is a digital disruptor, an online-only institution that's redefined convenience and high-yield banking for a tech-savvy generation. It's for those who prioritize maximizing their returns, minimizing fees, and managing their finances entirely from their devices. To truly decide which is best, we need to break down what each bank brings to the table across several critical categories. We'll delve into their interest rates, dissect their fee structures, evaluate their customer service, assess their accessibility, and weigh the unique pros and cons of each. By the end of this deep dive, you'll have a clear understanding of which bank is the better fit for your individual financial journey. Let's start with one of the most significant factors for many savers, interest rates. In today's economic climate, earning a respectable yield on your savings can make a substantial difference in your long-term financial growth. Ally Bank consistently ranks high for its competitive interest rates, particularly on its online savings accounts. As of mid-2025, Ally's Advantage Savings Account boasts a strong annual percentage yield, APY, that is significantly higher than the national average. We're talking about rates that can be more than 5 times the typical savings account at traditional brick-and-mortar banks. This is a huge draw for anyone looking to maximize their passive income from their savings. Their CD rates are also highly competitive, offering a variety of terms with attractive APYs. For example, their 6-month and 9-month high-yield CDs have been reported around 3.9% APY, while their 1-year CDs are close behind at 3.85% APY. Even their checking account, the Ally Bank Spending Account, offers a modest APY, which is a rare perk for a checking account, especially with no minimum balance required to earn it. Now, let's look at Patriot Bank. As a community bank, Patriot Bank's interest rates, while respectable for a traditional institution, generally won't match the high yields offered by online-only banks like Ally. For example, their standard savings account offers a much lower APY, around 0.01%. However, they do have tiered interest rates for their money market and star savings accounts, where higher balances can earn you a better return. For instance, their money market account can offer up to 3% APY for balances of $250,000 and over, while their star savings account offers 1.5% APY for balances over $100,000. They also offer competitive CD rates, with some terms offering APYs in the 3.50% to 4.00% range, especially for their founder's CD. For those with substantial balances, Patriot Bank's tiered system can become more appealing, but it still requires a significant deposit to unlock the higher tiers. For the average saver, Ally will likely provide a better return on everyday savings. Next up, let's talk about fees. Nobody likes hidden charges or monthly maintenance fees that eat away at their hard-earned money. Ally Bank has built a strong reputation for its transparent and minimal fee structure. They famously have no monthly maintenance fees on their savings or checking accounts, no overdraft fees, no ACH transfer fees, and no minimum balance requirements to open most accounts. This makes Ally incredibly appealing to those who want to avoid nickel-and-diming from their bank. While they do have some fees for expedited delivery, outgoing domestic wires, account research, and returned deposit items, these are generally avoidable for most customers. They even offer up to $10 in ATM fee reimbursements per statement cycle for out-of-network ATMs in the U.S., which helps offset their lack of physical branches. Patriot Bank, as a traditional bank, has a more conventional fee structure. While some of their accounts may have waivable monthly maintenance fees depending on certain balance requirements or activity, others do have them. For example, a dormant fee of $10 per month can be applied to checking accounts if there is no activity for 12 months and the balance is less than $300. Savings accounts can incur a $10 annual dormant fee after 18 months of inactivity. They also charge fees for insufficient funds, stop payments, and wire transfers, both domestic and international. While these are common for traditional banks, it's crucial for potential customers to review the specific fee schedule for each account type to understand the potential costs. Patriot Bank does offer free in-network ATM access, which is a plus for those who prefer physical cash transactions. Now, let's move on to customer service. When you have a question or an issue, how easy is it to get help? Ally Bank, despite being online only, prides itself on its 24/7 customer service support through phone, email, and online chat. Many reviews commend Ally for its responsive and helpful customer service, noting that their representatives are generally knowledgeable and efficient. The bank's digital nature means that assistance is always just a few clicks or a phone call away, regardless of your location or time zone. While some individual negative experiences are always possible, the overall sentiment for Ally's customer service in the online space is positive. They've invested heavily in their digital tools and self-service options, aiming to empower customers to manage most of their needs independently. Patriot Bank, with its physical branches, offers the benefit of in-person customer service. For many, the ability to walk into a branch, speak to a teller, and resolve issues face-to-face is a significant advantage. Patriot Bank has 13 physical locations primarily in Connecticut and New York, providing local access for its customers. Their website and mobile app also offer online banking tools, but the emphasis is clearly on the hybrid model. Reviews for Patriot Bank's customer service, particularly concerning their mobile app, have been mixed, with some users reporting technical glitches. However, their in-person and phone support often receive positive feedback for being professional, friendly, and efficient in problem solving. For those who prefer a personal touch and the reassurance of a physical location, Patriot Bank's customer service model might be more appealing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.